Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Solid Edge 2024 and choose a template like metric part or inches part. The Start screen offers recent files, learning, and templates. Set units early to millimeters or inches under application settings to avoid scaling errors. Familiarize yourself with the ribbon where core commands live and the command finder to search tools quickly. Use the Pathfinder to manage features and assemblies and the View Cube to orient your model precisely. Save a preferred template with units and title block for consistent new part creation. Begin sketches on primary planes and constrain geometry with dimensions and relationships for stability. Use profiles to create extrude, revolve, sweep, and loft features with clear sketch intent. Choose synchronous modeling for fast, direct edits or ordered modeling to preserve feature history when necessary. Combine both methods in hybrid mode to gain flexibility and control during complex designs. For assemblies, insert parts, apply mate and align constraints, and use the 3D interference tool to detect collisions before finalizing the design. Produce 2D drawings from your 3D models using standard views and custom projections for clarity. Annotate drawings with dimensions, tolerances, and GD and T symbols to communicate fabrication intent clearly. Use title blocks and revision tables to track changes and export drawings as PDF for distribution. For analysis, set material properties, apply boundary conditions, and run FEM simulations to evaluate stress and displacement results. Review contour plots and factor of safety before design changes. Export geometry to step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.